Watch this! Looks good, huh?
Wow! What a great sleep! Oh, there's my midnight snack! Oh! Is that today? Oh no! I'm late! I need to hurry! Whoa! My hair is so greasy! This isn't a good look. What is that smell? Looks like I'm washing my hair. Wait. Shouldn't there be water? Yoo-hoo! Water! I know you're in there! Ugh, what am I gonna do now? Maybe I could use this talcum powder. I'll just shake it all over my hair. Then I'll rub it through. It worked perfectly! The talcum powder got rid of the grease. My hair looks like it's been washed. Now I'm ready for my photograph. Choo! Bless me. Okay. I have to go.
You've got it covered. Makeovers are kind of our thing. So take out your best dress, grab that brush, put on that lipstick. Beauty school is in session. It's time for a makeup challenge. Looking good, ladies. This night is so dull. I want to do something fun. I know, right? What about a makeover? Great idea! I'll just make some space. Me too. Bye, plant! Okay, all we need now is makeup. Look at it all. Lipstick, eyeshadow, color palettes. Ready? First to do all their makeup wins. Let's set a timer. And go! What should I use first? Gotta be quick. I'll move these here. Back in a minute. Where is she going? Who cares? I'm winning. Nearly forgot the most important thing. I'll put this sheet of foil on the table. Maybe some foundation. What are you doing? A drop of foundation, spread it around the foil. Looking pretty so far. Now for the eyes. I've always wanted to be an artist. Time's running out. Finished! Here goes. Just need to press the foil down. You do know how to put makeup on. Nearly there. Watch this. Looks good, huh? That is amazing! Let me try! It's so easy. Go for it. So I take a sheet of aluminum foil, add some foundation, put on some lipstick. Impressive! Picasso would be proud. Almost done. I think that's it. And now I just whack it on my face? I can't wait to see how I look. Time for the big reveal! How do I look? Don't look in a mirror. It might crack. Are you serious? Oh! I'm hideous! Let me help. I can fix this. This should fit. A little here. A dab there. This'll look fantastic on you. There. My masterpiece is complete. Don't move. Ow! My nose! Oh my gosh. I can't believe you did this! I look gorgeous! My makeup! My dress! Let's party! Okay, Lexi. Are you ready? I look like a baked potato! It suits you. Really brings out your eyes. Bye! Just you wait! This is so not funny! Kylie! Ah!
Hello. Please hang your jacket over there. And here. This is for… Oh no! No way! It's too terrible! Oh, my hands are so dry. This is totally embarrassing. What if I get a proposal tonight? No way I can let my hands look like this. I have to do something about this. Gloves. That's the easiest solution. Here you go. Your table is over there. I'm so nervous. Here I go. You're here. You look so pretty. I got you a drink. Here, let me help you with those gloves. No, it's fine. My hands are cold. But I want to kiss your hand. Oh no! You got the glove off! Oh, what's wrong with your hand? Why don't you just take your hand back?
Don't worry about it. We all have dry skin sometimes. Hey! I think I can help too! Look over there! There's an aloe!
Do you really think it'll work?
Okay, I guess I'll give this a try. First, I'll need to chop up some aloe. Then I'll add some honey. Honey and aloe both have great healing properties. Time to use a pestle to combine them. It's pretty satisfying to do. Gotta get all that good stuff out of the aloe. Now it's ready to rub on my hands. Wow! My hands are so much smoother now! Now you can have my hand again. I'm delighted. Wait. One more thing. Oh my gosh. Is this it? It's in here somewhere. Phew. I was getting pretty hot. Well, I'm glad we're both feeling better.
Hey! What the heck? Where are you?
I'm sorry. I'm totally on my way right now. Oh no. Look at all that color. I'm wearing all white. No way they're gonna let me in. Oh no. Oops. This is really bad.
Wait, is that you over there? Hey! Can you see me?
I gotta do something and quick. Is there somewhere I can hide? Ugh, the trash can? This is the worst. But it's all I got. Alright, here I go. Right into the trash can.
Oh. Guess I was mistaken.
Phew. That was a close one. She almost saw me. Ugh, it's so gross in here. Ow! What the heck? My art career is officially over. Huh? What's in here? No way! Glitter! Okay, I've got a plate and now I need to pour some glitter on it. This red color is so pretty. I just need to make a line of it. Next up, some golden glitter. Just pouring it all out. Ooh, green for a third color is amazing. And then all the rest too. Time to press my hand to all this glitter. Oh, look at that. So sparkly, so shiny. Alright, let's get out of the trash can. Ugh. And now for my hands. Yeah! Some fun glasses will really complete this look. Time to get to this party. Especially since I'm already late. Babe! I'm so sorry it took me so long to get here.
I can't believe you made me wait so long here.
Yeah, but look at my shirt. I totally made this.
Wait, you made that? No way! That's so impressive!
Hey, we're ready to go into the party. Let me take a look at you two. Alright, you're good. Gosh, I'm so bored.
What? No way!
Should I? Or shouldn't I? I should! What? It's empty! No money at all! Aww. Now what? Guess back to scrolling. I'm tired though. I should probably just go to bed. Such a bummer about my eyebrows though. Maybe there's something I can do. Huh. Wait a second. What if I… Yes! I think that will totally work! Gotta get this nice and soapy. Good. And now to apply to my brows. Yes! It's shaping them nicely. On to the next one. Wow! That worked great! Wow! No way! Her eyebrows are amazing! Here I am, ready for school! Oh wow! She's so pretty! No way! Look at her eyebrows! Okay, I better tame my brows. Ow! Okay, that's one. Oh wow. She's just so pretty.
Ahem. Look over here. Wow. Look at that bracelet. What? This whole thing? It's so heavy because of all the diamonds. Cute. I just need to flick my hair back. Do you like my earrings? Wow! They're stunning! I'm so jealous! Well, check this out. Pretty impressive, huh? That's it? Well, I have $1 million smile. I don't believe it! Oh, I know. This'll show Luna. Jewels in my hair. How's this, Luna? Oh, come on. Huh? That wasn't supposed to happen. Oh no! It fell out! That's so embarrassing. Watch this. Whoa! What's that? You just clip jewels to your hair. It's so simple. There are different colors, too. Wow! That's amazing! I know, right? I just love this style. But my hair is so boring. Whoa! It's so bright in here! I can't see a thing! My eyes! That's better.
They say beauty is pain. But does it really have to be that complicated? Uh-oh, not the powder! Shoo! Aw, don't worry, girl. We have some fresh beauty hacks coming your way.
Great. No one's around. I've been needing this. Hey, I'm here! Right on time. Pucker up. Stay still. Amazing! How do I look? Gorgeous! That feels better. Such a stupid rule. We don't need this anymore. Pay attention, class. This will be on the test. I hate math class. The teacher's busy. Now's my chance. Where is it? Math is so exciting. Huh? Come on. Got it! Ashley. Uh-oh. Hi. What are you doing? Me? Nothing. I'm watching you. Phew. That was close. I need to be quick. Nope, that's not it. Aha! No one suspects a thing. Ashley! Hands on the desk. There! Happy? No more nonsense. Wow, she's grumpy. But she said nothing about my feet. I'm so glad I do yoga. Almost there. This is tricky. Oh no. Again, Ashley? Carry on. Okay. Too close. But at least I got my makeup. Hold on. This pencil case gives me an idea. This might work. Remove the lid and pencils from the case. Apply glue to the tip of a small pencil. And then place the pencil into the lid. Repeat this with more pencils. Do this until the lid is full. Then place your makeup into the case. Make sure you pick your essentials. Then replace the lid. My own makeup case for class. And no one will know. Hey, is that makeup? I have everything I need in here. Just what I need for a quick touch-up. Pretty smart, isn't it? I love that idea.
Oh wow! Look at these hairstyles! I love them! I could use a new look. But what? Let's try something out. I'll need these scissors. Here goes. Be brave. It's just hair. No! I wouldn't do that if I was you. Trust me, I learned the hard way. Hand over the scissors. That was a close one. Oh, I'm never gonna have a new hairstyle. Or will I? I think I have an idea. I'll use this hairband to tie up my hair. And then I'll pull it forward. Now I'll pleat the rest of my hair. This is gonna look so good. Almost finished. That's the back done. Now I'll separate the hair at the top. And I'll insert the pleat. I'll pull it all the way through. Now for the bangs. I'll use my hair straighteners to fix them. A little heat will sort them right out. And I'll just spread them out. There! It looks great! I should be in a magazine! What have you done with your hair? I don't understand it. I still have the scissors. I'm just a good stylist.